Alright, now it's getting strange and weird and odd, like eyeballs. Except for this one's a spirit for somehow. From the stars. The skies, when the sky's open. And gates are closed. From hell. The hellhole. Gates of hell are closed forever. So when the sky is open, heavens fall. Literally, when the sky is falling. I said, someone asked me, how did I get to that? I thought that was a gas station, and it said Eureka on Word over at Chevron. And I know that some of them are closed down, but there's a payphone over there that's not closed down. I said I hitchhiked from the payphone, and I was calling for a ride home, and it worked. Now, it worked each time, and I don't understand how or why, but it's good news. That's how I hitchhike. Now you gotta go to the UFO gas station to figure this one out. I guess Sg2 is your pilot card. A little Spock in there without a captain. Alright, have a good night. I'm not the Golden Army.